Sorry, good evening.
Good evening to you too. Good evening to you too.
Ac- Actually,
Yeah.
last few months we are just home arrested. When the morning is coming, when the evening is coming,
So yeah, it's like every fresh meeting has to start in the morning only.
yeah, and you can't imagine
Mhm.
if anybody asks you,
Yeah.
today is which day? It's Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Saturday. You can't say.
We don't know. We don't know. That's true. That's very true. Back then
Uh,
also when we were here, no exams, nothing, so we did not have any idea which day is going on. Now we have exams, so I know on this day I have this exam, so it is this day.
oh, your
That is
exam is going on nowadays.
yes, my vivas are going on practical.
It's your final year, na?
Yes, it's my final one.
Okay, after that, wow.
After
It's,
that, we are required to do this 6 months internship in a hospital, and then we will get our bachelor's degree.
but I think that nowadays it's impossible for you.
Oh God,
Internship at the present
yes.
moment. Now,
You I wanted to be in touch with human body, even in this lockdown also, so that we don't forget our practice. We could
yeah,
be continuously in touch. But there were no doctors and they just refused that we cannot allow students to be here for a couple of hours, so it's not an option. So we were so sad. So like for the past 1.5 years, I have not touched, I have not dealt with the human body, so it feels very weird that I've forgotten everything. So I don't know.
no,
So
no.
that's very sad.
Once you have your swim,
Yeah,
you never
you
ever
don't
forget it.
forget.
Yeah, yeah. Don't forget it.
That's actually the thing, about our practice. It's like the more you practice, the better you become. You understand what course is going on in a human body. Otherwise, so many muscles, so many nerves, so many roots, we tend to forget which one is going where. So it's
Actually,
hard.
problem is each and every patient's their different problem.
Yes,
Everybody had
exactly.
same skeleton
Uh
and the
huh.
same thing, same nerves. But problem is
That's true.
coming in separate way.
Yes, exactly. So that route, finding that route becomes a little difficult.
Exactly.
And
Theory and the practical is a separate field.
very different, very different. And last year is supposed to be the most crucial one because
Yeah.
you see advanced cases, and during this year only we are sitting at home doing nothing at all. So it's very sad.
In our case, in our field also,
Hmm.
our practical whatever I had in my college, those books and nowadays whatever we are using
Doing
nowadays, the same, the different, all are different. That type
entirely.
of theory and practical,
Hmm.
entirely different thing.
Very different. That is true. But exactly if I ask you how difficult it is to study law.
No, like that. I'm just see
Yeah.
where it is back. Just see. So many books are there.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, except
Yes.
those so many books of mine in my uh, what I say in myself. Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
but if in case I want a particular rule,
Mm-hmm.
I have just find out this particular rule one of these books.
Okay.
And suppose in case of any matter, I have required some rules and regulations. I will purchase, suppose like it's worth 2000 or 5000 worth of book only for particular law.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Uh-huh.
the matter. It's not like that. I read it one book 1 month or 1 week. Not like that.
No. Okay.
Like
And I think
you, yeah.
your field, the lawyer, you belong to that field, the criminal one, right? So I think that is an extensive one. Yeah,
Uh,
I was just asking that studying those things in detail and actually performing those things in a courtroom, I think they are two different things, right? Entirely different things.
there is so many things are there in our trial.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose in some evidence in papers, which is matter on record, it's not changeable.
Okay.
And some documents at the time of evidence,
Yeah.
they just express it through his only mouth. Suppose you have seen one thing
Mm-hmm.
before 1 year ago or 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
You just stated those things before the learned court. And at the time of crossing, at the time of cross check, when the defense lawyer is coming before you, he asked you the time and date.
That was
Firstly, if you were the complainant before the learned judge, first your turn is come, you give your evidence before the learned court, and you stated all. After stating all, the defense lawyer came before you, used to come before you, and he or she cross check you.
yeah.
Whatever you said earlier,
It should be the
and
same.
it not that the two things are happening in the one day.
Yeah.
One day is coming, suppose today, and after that, the next date will be the after 3 months, after 4 months.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And at that sudden moment, if the defense lawyer cross-checked you, yeah, yes, yeah, Mrs. Pavin, you said earlier that you have told such and such thing, and now you tell me what was the exact time on that day, and you forgot all, and you have told the time is 5:30, and you have said earlier the time was 5:15, and the defense will get the benefit from the court.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so tricky.
So tricky
So,
and silly. If you have done a silly mistake,
my god, actually
benefit,
we lose the case.
benefits go for the defense.
That
That's
is
why
just
nowadays
god.
you have seen that most of the accused persons, they are not convicted. Most of the accused persons used released from the court
Yeah,
only
they
for
are
that. Yeah,
roaming free. They are roaming
yeah.
free because the things always turn up in their favor. And it's just sad that the other people they are just, deprived of justice. They don't really get what they are looking for. And it's just sad to know.
Only only the lack of evidence, only the
Yes,
lack of evidence, all the accused persons
they get released.
acquitted from the court.
Oh god. How many cases have you seen, where you have this belief in your heart that this person is wrong, but we couldn't prove that he was wrong, he's roaming free. Are there a
So
lot of
many,
cases we've seen?
so many cases are there. I have seen so many cases.
Mhm.
Even last year before COVID,
Yeah.
I have seen one cases. It's not mine, but I watched that cases. It was 376 rape case. It was a girl who appointed by a man uh, in a serial, and he assured that you will be the heroine in my serial. And after that, she got some uh, misbehaved with that with those girl, and after that, the girl wrote a complaint to the police personnel that
Yeah.
she misused
Hmm.
her trust,
Yeah.
and all evidence, all evidence at the time of evidencing goes for those girls. But nowadays, what is going on? that person particularly, I don't want to say, but we are talking each other. You are as my extended family. There is no doubt. Uh, in spite of having all documents in favor of those girls who are the complainant in this case, uh, the person who was the accused person in this case, he got acquittal from the court because of pressure of political party. What you will say? Well, nowadays the law is going in like this. That's
Cannot.
why I'm telling a little bit of a fraction of second you have done a mistake at the time of evidence.
Mhm.
But that girl had all evidence, all evidence. In
But
spite of
still,
that,
in our country, the political parties, they play such a great role in everything. And here, everything goes if you have contact. If you have contact, you
exactly,
can do anything. And
exactly.
the people who are here on their own success and or because of their own effort, they cannot do anything. Now that man had political support. That is why he's out today. She did not have anything to do with that, so she couldn't fight for justice. That is the
Exactly.
only problem we are having here.
But
Everything goes here with referral. But it's just sad, that you being a lawyer to have that power to actually get justice to somebody, but still, because of such issues, you are unable to do that. So I think you also yourself would feel bad about it.
uh, it's happening. But
Yeah,
you know, uh, I am trying my level best to get
of course,
to give
of
justice to
course,
my client. If there is
exactly.
something happening behind the skin, what I will do? It's not.
Nothing.
It's not my cup of tea.
Yes, of course, I understand in your field everything is based on evidence and proof. It's very important in the law and justice field as well that nothing goes on just by saying. You need evidence, you need proof. And I'm sure you try everything you can in your power to get justice to the people who come to you. Because
Exactly.
that's who you are, that's who you try to be. But because of other people, if sometimes you are not able to get what you want, so I think it's not your fault. You shouldn't feel
Exactly.
like you are at the losing end. It's not your fault. You just
No,
cannot do much about it. So it's
that's
saddening.
why I told earlier to you at the time of judgment when I asked
Mhm.
the uh, judge to my
Judge.
judge, yeah,
Yeah.
sir, what was the condition? He asked me, I told me that I will pass my judgment after 2 or 3 days. I have a pressure. It's what you will do.
That
Yeah.
is that is the pressure he has. But what can we do? We have seen a lot of such cases, and I know you know what it's like out there. Cannot say much about it.
How many mistakes I
But
have done?
anyway, what can we say about it?
Yeah, how many mistakes I have done. To my teacher, I asked him.
I would like to correct
I
one or two. Yeah, the thing like you mentioned, it was like it wasn't a mistake. It's just the word was omitted. The word wasn't there.
yeah.
Okay, like you said, you were showing the books that you've read, right? So in that it comes. I just have to find out one rule. Yeah, I just have find out one rule. That was your sentence, right?
Okay.
So that two
Okay.
is missing. It should be I just have to find out one rule out of that book, out of those books, whichever it is that you desire, right?
Today is my last day, and I
It
yeah
is.
yeah. But I have joined
Why?
after joined. I will join after next week because
Okay.
I have a 2 or 3 sessions, two meetings with my
Trending, yeah.
clients. Yeah,
Okay, okay. All right. It's
yeah,
like at the end of the session, I'm getting to know that this is your last session. That is so sad.
yeah.
But
No,
still, you'll rejoin.
last session means yeah. I have completed my 1.5 months with
Okay.
my clapping.